Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show.
Shut
Divine Belly, 420 Dave, Messi. No, I don't think I will. What should everyone see?
Shut up.
Once upon a time, there was a tapist. And he was a very fast tapist. And he liked to annoy people as he defeated them. And they tried, but they just couldn't catch him. They kept making mistakes because it wasn't the mother language.
What is this language even?
Probably Latin. Oh well, he's gonna shoot at me. I hope he misses. If he doesn't, I won't have much to say. Okay, he missed.
We're losing.
But I'm winning, and that's more important, right? One more stage remaining.
GG.
Okay, it's ready. I like one little button. Should I press it now or should I wait a moment? You tell me.
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment, okay. I'll wait a moment. I'll wait until number 2 gets close, and then when he gets close, I'll press it and kill you all. Why? Because of the fun. I wish you guys good luck, though. I hope you beat the other guys.
Don't forget you have time.
Oh, shoot. Sounds like he shot some of you.
Yeah, he did.
Sorry to hear that.
I'm still alive though.
Oh, well, that's good. That's good.
Watch out for number 2. He's closing in.
Yeah, I know. I'm ready to kill him. I'm ready to shoot him down. I'm waiting just a little bit longer. I want him to get about a centimeter away from me. Oh, he made a mistake, poor fella. Hope he makes a mistake and gets shot. That'd be funny. Okay, oh, but he made a mistake again. Come on. One more mistake and you might get shot. I gotta push the button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Push it.
Now.
Congratulations. Player number 8, you have won. The other players will now be eliminated.
Thank you, sir. Good game, everybody.
Good game.